present you my collection. Most comprehensive assemblage of artifacts and life forms in the galaxy.
Hey, you guys validate?
But on today's tour, you will be allowed into my most secure inner sanctum to see in the flesh my newest acquisitions, the Guardians of the Galaxy.
This is all your fault.
Oh, at least we get a really cool sign. Check that out. Oh, man, they got my name wrong. It's not Peter Quill. It's Star-Lord. Although they do call me the leader.
Yes, because you led us into the trap.
Hey, I thought the tour sounded fun.
What name do they call me?
Drax the Destroyer.
That is correct.
Got his name right.
That's what bothers you?
Sorry. Gamora, daughter of Thanos.
I am not the daughter of Thanos! Ow! Ow! Ow!
You're not supposed to tap the glass.
Don't even start!
Hey, would you two keep it down over there?
I am Groot.
I know. There's someone considerate.
I'm Groot.
According to that, you're not Groot. You're a Flora Colossus.
I am Groot.
Don't listen to him. You are Groot.
You want to know what they call you, Rocket?
I know what they call me. Cybernetic genetic experiment. Who wants to fight my fist?
I thought you'd be more upset about the rodent part.
Ain't nothing in the universe like me except me.
And that is precisely why he is in my collection. He is also notorious for escaping from every prison that ever tried to hold him. Which is why I have wired each cage with unimaginable power, coming directly from my massive generator, which powers the entire complex and will keep them in perpetual suspension. Over his.
At least we're all well secure.
Wait, what?
You're not wish to fall to an abyss.
Do you understand? We're prisoners.
It's your
Pet
fault!
Rodent will figure it
I
out.
told you to wait in the ship.
I'm going to
Call
keep
it
you
that,
in
Rocket.
I am Groot. I'm gonna help.
Oh, you're so cute.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You're now standing in my private office,
I know.
where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. That after let's you this guy. Hearing your insistence to animate on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. That would take that.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket, I'm going you. Now show me those hands, Steve. You got clearance. Let's roll. tasty. I thought it was a myth. Yes, Rock, you got my Walkman.
Daddy's ready to go.
My ride's here. Thanks, everybody. See ya. We are out of here. Thanks, guys.
Why are you thinking of? The guy was nothing. It did nothing. We did all the fighting. It did not help us at all. Should be thanking me. I think it's right.